Section 2. Destination input and route guidance. Basic functions in frequent use. Destination input, selecting the search area, destination input by home, destination input by quick access, destination input by address, destination input by POI name, destination input by POI category, destination input by emergency, destination input by memory, destination input by previous, destination input by map, destination input by intersection, destination input by freeway ent/exit, destination input by coordinates, destination input by phone number, starting route guidance, entering destination, route guidance screen, typical voice guidance prompts, setting and deleting destination, setting and deleting route, show POI icons, route overview, route preview, screen configuration, distance and time to destination, and footprint map. Destination input. Push the desk button and the destination screen appears. You can use one of 13 different methods to enter your destination. See pages 24 through 39. Information. When inputting the destination, the response to the switch may be slow. The route for returning may not be the same as that for going. The route guidance to the destination may not be the shortest route nor a route without traffic congestion. Route guidance may not be available if there is no road data for the specified location. When setting the destination on a map with a scale larger than 0.5 mile 800 meters, the map scale changes to 0.5 mile 800 meters automatically. Set the destination again. To select an address, POI name, freeway ent/exit, intersection or phone number in a different area, it is necessary to change the search area. If you enter a destination, the road nearest to the point you selected is set as the destination. Caution. While you are driving, be sure to obey traffic regulations and keep the road conditions in mind. If a traffic sign on the road has been changed, the route guidance may provide wrong information. Selecting the search area. The destination screen allows you to select the area to search for your destination. Touch the Change switch on the destination screen to display a map of the United States and Canada divided into 11 areas. See page 12 for map database information and updates. Touch one of the US 1 through CAN switches to select the search area. Touch the OK switch and the destination screen returns. USA switch and states included in the search area. US 1, Idaho, Oregon, and Washington. US 2, California and Nevada. US 3, Arizona, Colorado, Montana, New Mexico, Utah, and Wyoming. US 4, Iowa, Kansas, Minnesota, Missouri, North Dakota, Nebraska, and South Dakota. US 5, Oklahoma and Texas. US 6, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Ohio, and Wisconsin. US 7, Arkansas, Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Tennessee. US 8, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maine, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New York, Rhode Island, and Vermont. US 9, Washington, D.C., Delaware, Maryland, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Virginia, and West Virginia. And US 10, Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina. Canada. Switch. Provinces and regions included in the search area. CAN. All provinces and regions in Canada included in this switch. Destination input by home. Touch the home switch on the destination screen. The screen changes and displays the map location of your home and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. To use this function, it is necessary to set the attribute for the memory point. To register the home, see page 72. Information. Guidance starts from your current position to your home if you touch the enter switch, even while driving. Destination input by quick access. Touch any of the quick access switches on the destination screen. The screen changes and displays the map location of the quick access point and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. To use this function, it is necessary to set the attribute for each memory point. To register the quick access, see page 72. Information. Guidance starts from your current position to the quick access point if you touch the enter switch even while driving. Destination input by address. There are two ways to input a destination by address. Touch the address switch on the destination screen. A. Inputting a house number and a street name. Touch numerals directly on the screen to input a house number. After inputting a house number, touch the OK switch to display the screen for inputting a street name. It is possible to input a street name first. Touch the street switch to display the screen for inputting a street name. Input the street name. When you find your desired street name, touch the corresponding switch. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. If the same address exists in more than one city, the current screen changes to the city list screen. Select or enter your desired city. Input name to narrow down the listed items by inputting the city name. If you input a street name first, the screen changes. You can then input the house number. If the above screen appears, you can select an address range on the screen. B. Selecting a city to search. Touch the city switch. To search by city, the following three methods are possible. 1. Selecting from the last 5 cities. 2. Selecting from the nearest 5 cities. And 3. Inputting the city name. Information. To cancel the city setting, touch the Any City switch. Selecting from the last 5 cities. Touch the switch of the desired city name. If you have not used the navigation yet, no cities will be displayed on the screen. The current screen changes to the screen for inputting a house number or a street name. See page 25. Selecting from the nearest 5 cities. Touch the nearest 5 cities switch. Touch the switch of the desired city name from the displayed list. The current screen changes to the screen for inputting a house number or a street name. See page 25. Inputting the city name. Touch the Input City Name switch. Input a city name. Touch the switch of the desired city name from the displayed list. Map to display the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. The current screen changes to the screen for inputting a house number or a street name. See page 25. Destination input by POI Name. Touch the POI Name switch on the destination screen. Input the name of point of interest. Touch the switch of the desired destination. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. If you input the name of a specific point of interest and there are more than 2 sites with the same name, the list screen appears. Touch the switch of the desired destination. Dist sort in the order of distance from your current position. The distance from your current position up to the destination is displayed on the right of the name. Name sort in alphabetical order by name. If the same name exists in more than one city, you can search for it more easily with the city and category switches. C. A. Selecting a city to search and B. Selecting from the categories. Information. The desired point of interest can be displayed on the map screen. For details, see page 51. A. Selecting a city to search. Touch the city switch. To search by city, the following 3 methods are possible. 1. Selecting from the last 5 cities. 2. Selecting from the nearest 5 cities. And 3. Inputting the city name. Information. To cancel the city setting, touch the Any City switch. Selecting from the last 5 cities. Touch the switch of the desired city name. If you have not used the navigation yet, no cities will be displayed on the screen. Selecting from the nearest 5 cities. Touch the nearest 5 cities switch. Touch the switch of the desired city name. Inputting the city name. Touch the Input City Name switch. Input the city name. Touch the switch of the desired city name from the displayed list. B. Selecting from the categories. Touch the category switch. If the desired POI category is on the screen, touch the name to display a detailed list of the POI category. If the desired POI category is not on the screen, touch the List All Categories switch to List All POI Categories. When you touch the desired category, the POI Name list screen appears. Destination input by POI category. The destination can be set by selecting the POI category in the search point. Touch the POI category switch on the destination screen. Selecting the POI category. If the desired POI category is on the screen, touch the name to display a detailed list of the POI category. If the desired POI category is not on the screen, touch the List All Categories switch to List All POI Categories. Touch the desired POI category from the list. The selected category icon appears on the top left of the screen. If you wish to delete the selected category, touch the Delete switch. If you wish to select another category, touch the OK switch to return to the previous screen. If you wish to select the destination from the category displayed by the icon, touch the List switch. Setting a search point. It is possible to display the names of POI'(S) located within approximately 20 miles, 30 kilometers from the selected search point. Touch the search point switch. To set search points, the following 4 methods are possible. 1. Inputting city center. 2. Setting the current position as the search point. 3. Setting the search point via the map screen. And 4. Setting the search point from the destinations. Inputting city center. Touch the Input City Center switch. Input the city center name. Touch the switch of the desired city center name. When you touch an arrow facing the desired point, the map scrolls in that direction. When you release your finger, scrolling stops. To set the position of the cursor, touch the Enter switch. Setting the current position as the search point. Touch the Current Position switch. When you touch an arrow facing the desired point, the map scrolls in that direction. When you release your finger, scrolling stops. To set the position of the cursor, touch the Enter switch. Setting the search point via the map screen. Touch the Map switch. When you touch an arrow facing the desired point, the map scrolls in that direction. When you release your finger, scrolling stops. To set the position of the cursor, touch the Enter switch. Setting the search point from the destinations. Touch the destination switches at the bottom of the screen. When you touch an arrow facing the desired point, the map scrolls in that direction. When you release your finger, scrolling stops. To set the position of the cursor, touch the Enter switch. Selecting from a list. You can select the desired destination from the listed POI names. When you touch the switch of the desired item, the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See Entering Destination on page 40. Dist. To sort in the order of distance from your current location. Icon, to sort in the order of the POI icons. Name, to sort in alphabetical order by name. En route, when the indicator is illuminated by touching this switch, the list of the items searched along the route is displayed. Destination input by emergency. By touching the emergency switch on the destination screen, the display changes to a screen to select dealers, hospitals or police stations. During driving, only nearby police stations, hospitals or dealers are shown. The current position is shown with an address, the latitude and the longitude at the top of the screen. When you touch the desired emergency category, the selected emergency category list is displayed. Touch the switch of the desired destination. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See Entering Destination on page 40. Dist sort, to sort in the order of distance from your current position. The distance from your current position up to the destination is displayed on the right of the name. Name sort, to sort in alphabetical order by name. Information. The navigation system does not guide in areas where route guidance is unavailable. See page 11. Destination input by memory. Touching the memory switch on the destination screen displays your list of registered memory points. See page 68 for registering and editing memory points. When you touch the switch of your desired memory point, the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. There are 4 ways to list the memory point by touching switches on the bottom of the screen. Date, to list the memory points in order of registered date. Icon, to list the memory points by the registered icon. Name, to list the memory points in alphabetical order. Attribute, to list the memory points by the registered attribute. Destination input by previous. Touch the previous switch on the destination screen. The previous starting point and up to 99 previously set destinations are displayed on the screen. Touch the switch of the desired destination. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. Date, to list the previous destinations in order of registered date. Name, to list the previous destinations in alphabetical order. Information. You can delete the list of previous destinations while your vehicle is stopped if you no longer need them. See page 93. Destination input by map. Touch the map switch on the destination screen. The screen changes and displays the map location that was previously displayed just before the destination input operation and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. Information. Guidance starts if you touch the enter switch even while driving. However, the cursor cannot be moved. Destination input by intersection. Touch the intersection switch on the destination screen. Input the name of the 2 intersecting streets, which are located near the destination to be set. Touch the switch of the desired item. After inputting the 2 intersecting streets, the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. If the same 2 streets cross at more than one intersection, the screen changes and displays the menu to select the city name where streets intersect. Select the city and the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. Destination input by Freeway Ent/exit. To input a freeway entrance or exit, touch the Freeway Ent/exit switch on the destination screen. Be sure to use the complete name of the freeway or highway, including the hyphen, when entering the destination. Freeways and interstates use an I-405. U.S. highways use the state designation before the number CA-118. Select the desired freeway by touching the switch. You can then select either a freeway entrance or exit. Touch the switch of the desired entrance or exit name. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. Dist sort in the order of distance from your current position. The distance from your current position up to the destination is displayed on the right of the name. Name sort in alphabetical order by name. Input name, an applicable list, is displayed by touching this switch and inputting name. Destination input by coordinates. Touch the coordinates switch on the destination screen. Input the latitude and the longitude. When the input is finished, touch the OK switch. When you touch the switch of the desired point, the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. See entering destination on page 40. Destination input by phone number. Touch the phone number switch on the destination screen. Input a telephone number. After inputting a telephone number, touch the OK switch and the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the road preference. See entering destination on page 40. If there is more than one site having the same number, the following screen appears. Information. If there is no match for the telephone number inputted, a list of identical numbers but with different area codes will be displayed. To set a memory point as a destination using the phone number, the number must be registered previously. See page 74. Starting route guidance. Entering destination. After you input the destination, the screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and the route preference. Screen A. 1. When you touch an arrow facing the desired point, the map scrolls in that direction. When you release your finger, scrolling stops. 2. To set the destination and display screen B, touch the Enter switch. When the destination is already set, the Add to Destination switch and the Replace Destination switch are displayed. Add to Destination, to add a destination. Replace destination, to delete the existing destinations and set a new one. Change, to change the route preference. See page 41. Info. If this switch is displayed on the top of the screen, touch the switch to see name, address, and phone number, etc. Screen B, and 3. To start guidance, touch the guide switch. 3 routes, to select the desired route from 3 possible routes. See page 41. Route, to change the route. See pages 44 and 46. Information. Guidance can be suspended or resumed. See page 64. If you keep touching the guide switch until a beep sounds, demo mode will start. To change the route before starting guidance, route preference. You can change route preference by touching the change switch on screen A. You can turn the indicator on or off by touching the switch. When searching for a route, the system avoids routes where the indicator is dimmed as much as possible. After choosing conditions, touch the OK switch. Information. Even if the Allow Freeway indicator is dimmed, the route cannot avoid including a freeway in some cases. If the calculated route includes a trip by ferry, the route guidance shows a C route. After you travel by ferry, the current vehicle position may be incorrect. Upon reception of GPS signals, it is automatically corrected. 3 routes selection. To select the desired route from 3 routes, touch the 3 routes switch on screen B. Touch the Quick 1, Quick 2 or Short switch to select the desired route. Quick 1, recommended route. This route is indicated by an orange line. Quick 2, other route. This route is indicated by a purple line. Short, a route by which you can reach the destination in the shortest distance. This route is indicated by a green line. Info. To display the following information about each of the 3 routes. 1. Time necessary for entire trip. 2. Distance of entire trip. 3. Toll road. 4. Freeway. And 5. Ferry. Route guidance screen. When starting route guidance, the following screen is displayed. This screen displays the route that guides the driver to the destination. The route to the destination is indicated by a highlighted line. Drive along the guided route. When the vehicle approaches a guidance point such as an intersection or a freeway, the screen automatically divides in 2 to display the guidance screen. For details, see page 55. The current street name will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. In some areas, the roads have not been completely digitized in our database yet. For this reason, the route guidance may guide the road that is not allowed to pass. Typical voice guidance prompts. The voice guidance provides various messages as you approach an intersection or other point where you need to maneuver the vehicle. 1. Proceed about 5 miles. 2. In a quarter of a mile, right turn. 3. Right turn. And 4. Beep sound only. Information. On freeways, interstates or other highways with higher speed limits, the voice guidance will be made at earlier points than on city streets in order to allow time to maneuver. 1. Proceed about 4 miles to the traffic circle. 2. In a quarter of a mile, traffic circle ahead and then third exit ahead. 3. The third exit ahead. 4. The exit ahead. And 5. Beep sound only. The system indicates a U-turn if the distance between 2 one-way roads of opposite directions is less than 50 feet, 15 meters in residential areas or 164 feet, 50 meters in non-residential areas. 1. In half of a mile, make a legal U-turn. 2. Make a legal U-turn ahead. And 3. Beep sound only. The system announces your approach to the final destination. 1. Your destination is ahead. And 2. You have arrived at your destination. The route guidance is now finished. Information. If the system cannot determine the current vehicle position correctly in cases of poor GPS signal reception, the voice guidance may be made early or delayed. If you did not hear the voice guidance command, push the map/voice button to hear it again. To adjust the voice guidance volume, see page 65. Setting and deleting destination. A. Adding destinations. You can add destinations and search again for the routes. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the add switch of destination. Step 3. Input an additional destination in the same way as the destination input. See page 22. On step 4. Touch the desired add switch to determine the arrival order of the additional destination. B. Reordering destinations. When more than one destination is set, you can change the arrival order of the destinations. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the reorder switch of destination. On step 3. Select the destination in the order of arrival by touching the switch of destinations. Reordered number of arrival is displayed on the right side of the screen. When you finish selecting the destinations, touch the OK switch. The system searches for the guidance route again and displays the entire route. Even if you do not touch the OK switch, the entire route is displayed automatically within a few seconds when order is fixed. C. Deleting destination. You can delete a set destination. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the delete switch of destination. Step 3. When more than one destination is set, a list will appear on the screen. Touch the destination on the screen you wish to delete. Delete all to delete all destinations on the list. Step 4. A message appears to confirm your request to delete. To delete the destination S, touch the Yes switch. If you touch the Yes switch, the data cannot be recovered. If you touch the No switch, the previous screen will return. On step 5. If more than one destination is set, touch the OK switch after deleting the destinations. The system searches for the guidance route again and displays the entire route. Setting and deleting route. A. Adding preferred road. You can add points you wish to pass through. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the add switch of preferred road. Step 3. Select the preferred road which you wish to modify and touch the enter switch. Step 4. A message appears to confirm your request. To add the preferred road, touch the OK switch. Touch the next switch to use another road. On step 5. If more than one destination is set, the add preferred road screen appears. Touch the add switch where you wish to add a preferred road. B. Deleting preferred road. You can delete a set preferred road. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the delete switch of preferred road. Step 3. When more than one preferred road is set, a list will appear on the screen. Touch the switch of the preferred road to be deleted. Delete all to delete all the listed preferred road. Step 4. A message appears to confirm your request to delete. To delete the preferred road, touch the Yes switch. If you touch the Yes switch, the data cannot be recovered. If you want to try again or cancel deletion, touch the No switch. The previous screen will return. On step 5. If more than one preferred road is set, touch the OK switch after deleting the preferred road. The system searches for the guidance route again and displays entire route. C. Search condition. You can designate the route conditions of the route to the destination. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the search condition switch. The search condition screen appears. On step 3. Touch the quick 1, quick 2 or short switch and touch the OK switch. The entire route from the starting point to the destination is displayed. Guide to start guidance. Route to add or change a route. For details, see pages 44 and 46. D. Detour setting. While the route guidance is operating, you can change the route to detour around a section of the route where a delay is caused by road repairs, an accident, etc. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the detour switch. Step 3. Select the switch below to select the desired detour distance. 1 mile, kilometers, 3 miles, kilometers, or 5 miles, kilometers. Touch one of these switches to start the detour process. After detouring, the system returns to the original guidance route. Whole route. If you touch this switch, the system will calculate an entire new route to the destination. This picture shows an example of how the system would guide you around a delay caused by a traffic jam. 1. This position indicates the location of a traffic jam caused by road repairs or an accident. And 2. This route indicates the detour suggested by the system. Information. When your vehicle is on a freeway, the detour distance selections are 5, 15, and 25 miles, kilometers. The system may not be able to calculate a detour route depending on the selected distance and surrounding road conditions. Route preference. You are given a number of choices on the conditions which the system uses to determine the route to your destination. Step 1. Touch the route switch. Step 2. Touch the route preference switch to change the conditions which are to determine the route to your destination. Step 3. You can turn the indicator on or off by touching the switch. When searching for a route, the system avoids routes where the indicator is dimmed as much as possible. After choosing the conditions, touch the OK switch. Starting route from adjacent road. You can start the route guidance from the adjacent road. For example, when the route guidance guides the route on the freeway, but you drive on the parallel way along a freeway. Step 1. Touch the route switch. And step 2. Touch the start from adjacent road switch. When there is no adjacent road, this switch will not appear. Show POI icons. Points of interest such as gas stations and restaurants can be displayed on the map screen. You can also set their location as a destination and use them for route guidance. Step 1. Touch the map view switch. And step 2. Touch the Show POI icon switch to display a particular type of point of interest on the screen. A screen with a limited choice of points of interest will be displayed. To change the displayed POI, see page 92. When you touch the desired point of interest category, symbols will appear on the map screen indicating where the POI addresses are located. To turn off the symbols of the points of interest on the map screen, touch the POI off switch. More, if you cannot find your desired point of interest on the limited choice screen, touch this switch. The screen then displays the complete POI listing screen. You can display up to 5 categories of icons on the screen. When you select a point of interest type from either the limited list or the complete list, the screen will display symbols at those locations on the map screen. Touching the delete switch will delete the last selected icon. Local POI list. If you want to search for the nearest point of interest, touch this switch. Then choose one of the categories. The system will list the points within 20 miles, 30 kilometers. Touch the switch of your desired point of interest. Selected points of interest are displayed on the map screen. Dist, to sort in the order of distance from your current location. Icon, to sort in the order of the POI icons. Name, to sort in alphabetical order by name. En route, when the indicator is illuminated by touching this switch, the list of the items searched along the route is displayed. To set a POI as a destination, you can select one of the points of interest icons on the map screen as a destination and use it as route guidance. Directly touch the point of interest icon that you wish to set as a destination. The map will shift so that the icon is centered on the screen and overlaps with a cursor. At this time, the distance from your current position can be displayed on the screen. The distance shown is measured as a straight line from the current vehicle position to the POI. When your desired point of interest overlaps with a cursor, touch the Enter Destination switch. The screen changes and displays the map location of the selected destination and route preference. See Entering Destination on page 40. Route Overview. Step 1. Touch the Map View switch. And Step 2. Touch the Route Overview switch. The entire route from the current position to the destination is displayed. Guide, to start guidance. Route, to change the route. For details, see pages 44 and 46. Turn list. The following screen displays a list of the roads up to your destination. You can scroll through the list of roads by touching up or down. However, not all road names in the route may appear on the list. If a road changes its name without requiring a turn, such as on a street that runs through 2 or more cities, the name change will not appear on the list. The street name closest to the starting point will be displayed with a mileage to the next turn. These marks indicate the direction in which you should turn at an intersection. Touch the map switch of your desired point. The point which you choose is displayed on the map screen. Route Preview. Step 1. Touch the Map View switch. On Step 2. Touch the Route Preview switch to indicate the next destination. To preview the route to the next destination. To preview the route to the next destination in fast forward mode. To stop the preview. To review the route to the previous destination or starting point. To review the route to the previous destination or starting point in fast forward mode. To indicate the previous destination or starting point. Screen configuration. You can choose any one of the screen configurations. Step 1. Touch this switch to display the following screen. On Step 2. To select the desired screen configuration, touch one of the following switches. Depending on the conditions, it may not be possible to select certain screen configuration switches. To display single map screen. See page 55. To display dual map screen. See page 56. To display compass mode screen. See page 56. To display turn list screen. See page 57. To display arrow screen. See page 57. To display freeway information screen. See page 57. To display intersection guidance screen or guidance screen on freeway. See page 58. A. Single map. The screen shows the single map. B. Dual map. The screen shows the dual map. The map, on the left, is the main map. You can edit the right side map by touching any specific point on the right side map. This screen can perform the following procedures. Changing the map scale. Displaying the POI icon. And changing the orientation of the map. Touch the OK switch when you complete editing. The screen returns to the dual map screen. C. Compass mode. Information about the destination and current position as well as a compass is displayed on the screen. The destination mark is displayed in the direction of the destination. When driving, refer to the longitude and latitude coordinates on the compass to make sure that your vehicle is headed in the direction of the destination. Information. When the vehicle goes out of the dist area, the guidance screen changes into compass mode. D. Turn list screen. The screen shows the turn list. You cannot scroll through the list of roads. E. Arrow screen. The screen shows the current road name and the distance to the next corner. F. Freeway information screen. This screen displays the distance to the next junction and exit, or POI'(S) in the vicinity of the freeway exit. Map. To display the selected map of the exit vicinity. On the left side of the map switch, up to 5 POI'(S) around the selected exit are displayed. Up, to scroll for farther junctions or exits. Down, to scroll for closer junctions or exits. To scroll for the closest 3 junctions or exits. Information. When you drive on a freeway, the screen is automatically divided into 2 parts, with freeway information screen on the right side. G. Intersection guidance screen/guidance screen on freeway. Intersection guidance screen. This screen automatically appears when the vehicle approaches an intersection on the road. The distance to the intersection is shown at the bottom of the screen. Off, the intersection guidance screen disappears and the map screen appears. When touching the switch or pushing the map/voice button, the intersection guidance screen reappears. Information. Intersection guidance can be turned on or off. See page 87. Guidance screen on freeway. This screen automatically appears when the vehicle approaches a junction or exit on a freeway. The distance to the junction or exit is shown at the bottom of the screen. Off, the guidance screen on freeway disappears and the map screen appears. When touching the switch or pushing the map/voice button, the guidance screen on freeway reappears. Information. Guidance screen on freeway can be turned on or off. See page 88. Distance and time to destination. When the vehicle is on the guidance route, the distance and the estimated travel time to the destination are displayed. When the vehicle is not on the guidance route, the distance to and the direction of the destination are displayed. When driving on the guidance route and more than one destination is set, the distance and the estimated travel time from current position to each destination are displayed. Step 1. Touch this switch to display the following screen. And Step 2. Touch the number switch of the destination you wish to display. The distance and the estimated travel time from the current position to the selected destination are displayed. Displayed while driving along the guidance route. Displayed while driving off the guidance route. The destination direction is indicated by an arrow. Information. When the vehicle is on the guidance route, the distance measured along the route is displayed. Travel time is calculated based on the set vehicle speed information. For details, see page 81. However, when the vehicle is not on the guidance route, the distance is the linear distance between the current position and the destination. Footprint map. For the area which is covered by the footprint map, some areas in the following cities, Detroit, Chicago, NY, LA, you can switch to the footprint map on a scale of 75 feet, 25 meters. To switch to the footprint map, the zoom in switch changes into the footprint map switch when the map is scaled down to 150 feet, 50 meters. To display the footprint map, touch the footprint map switch. To delete the footprint map display, touch the zoom out switch. Information. If the map or the current position is moved to the area which is not covered by the footprint map, the screen scale automatically changes to 150 feet, 50 meters. On the footprint map, a one-way street is displayed by right arrow. It is not possible to perform scrolling on the footprint map, one-touch scroll while driving. To display building information. Information is available only for buildings for which information is recorded on the map disk. Step 1. Touch the info switch while the footprint map is displayed. If the map is displayed in split screen, it turned into a single map display. Step 2. Using an 8-direction arrow, move the cursor to the position of the building you wish to display information. Step 3. Touch the building info switch. And Step 4. Details of POI' in some buildings may be displayed. If you wish to see detailed POI information, touch the building name. You can see the detail of the selected POI'.